So this is LRC 49 Alcantara cleaner, and we're going to demonstrate to you today on this Mercedes steering wheel how easy it is to clean the Alcantara. The right hand side we have already done, and we wanted to show you here on the left hand side of this wheel how to do this effectively. So we've sprayed all the Alcantara cleaner on, and then we're gently rubbing over with the suede and nubuck brush, which is a synthetic material on the outside, and the center of that brush has like very fine brass strands in it, so that it gets a bit of bite and digs in deep. And you can see there the dirt that's coming off is phenomenal. So just keep spraying on with the LRC 49 Alcantara cleaner. You don't have to rub or scrub this very hard. It's just very gently rubbing over the surface, breaking down all the dirt, grease and grime that's sort of built up onto the steering wheel, that's flattened all the fibres on the Alcantara fabric, and then just gently wiping over with a cloth to remove all the dirt and grime. Obviously, Alcantara is not leather like some people believe that it is. It is a synthetic fabric material, and it requires like a dedicated product, obviously, to remove the dirt and grime on there. As you can see, it's lifting that away. Keep spraying on and just keep gently rubbing. Get everything masked up on the wheel like we have done here as well, so that you protect all your electronics on your steering wheel. But this will work on anything, any type of Alcantara that you've got, whether that's on like the bolsters of a car seat, roof linings, anything like that that's got the Alcantara. Same principle, the same method will work on all of this. It's just a matter of very gently agitating the fabric. As I say, once again, you do not want to scrub hard, just very lightly and gently brush over the surface to fluff up the fibres of the Alcantara. Obviously, as you're going through, keep spraying on, keep agitating, keep wiping, with the cloth to draw out any grease and grime that you've got on there. But I mean, you're going to see here now as we wipe this over the surface of the wheel, what a difference it's going to make, and how much dirt and grime is still coming out of the steering wheel. Obviously, you're sweating. Look at that. It's black as anything. You're sweating. That's compacted dirt. You can see there, the right-hand side, how much more beautiful that looks compared to what this left side did look like when we started. On this particular wheel, the person thought that the wheel was completely beyond saving and that it was actually ruined and they were going to have to buy a new one. But the LRC 49 Alcantara cleaner stepped up, and a complete game changer, because it saved having to replace the steering wheel, which would be running into many thousands to do that with it being on this Mercedes 4x4 vehicle. So I mean, it's going to be a very expensive wheel on this AMG version. And obviously, for the price of the bottle of fluid, it's a remarkable outcome, and it's got it back to brand new again and like a factory OEM finish again. So I mean, it's a fantastic result. And you're not using an awful lot. As you can see here, the bottle has hardly been used. Bearing in mind, we've already used that bottle to clean the right-hand side. So you can see that the left-hand side is being cleaned, and we've hardly used anything. This is a 250ml bottle. So you could, depending on the size of your steering wheel, clean this with like a 100ml sample. That's how dirty it is. LRC 49 Alcantara cleaner.